Welcome to Finder Facts, where we answer your most burning questions. Today's topic: does your insurance cover vandalism and looting? People across the country are protesting in response to the death of George Floyd and to confront police brutality. Some people have used these protests as an opportunity to loot businesses and damage property.
From coast to coast, brazen break-ins as police tangled with criminals.
If your car or home is damaged and if you're a business owner whose shop has been looted, you may be able to recoup your losses with your insurance company. Joining me is Katia Lervasi, Finder's insurance expert. Katia, I hope you're safe. How are you doing?
Thanks for asking, Ezra. I'm doing okay.
So my first question is what I think a lot of people who are affected by the looting might have. Does insurance cover it?
The short answer is yes, if your policy lists riot or civil commotion as one of its named perils. Now, most standard commercial property insurance policies do, so you should be able to repair or replace any property that's been stolen or damaged during these demonstrations. Most insurance companies cover various types of damages caused by civil unrest, including theft, vandalism, fires and explosions, broken windows or doors, and structural damage, like landscape, fences, and sheds.
In what scenarios would I not be covered by insurance?
Your insurance policy won't apply in some situations. The first one is government action. For example, if your property is damaged by police using tear gas, rubber bullets, or other crowd control measures, that damage is not covered. The second is if you actively engage in looting or vandalism that results in damage to your property. That damage is then considered intentional and it's not covered. Next, the loss of expensive jewelry may not be covered to its full value unless you've added an extra endorsement to your policy. And finally, you aren't covered if you don't have actual proof of damage or stolen goods. So before you file a claim, it's really important to collect receipts or photos of the property that needs to be replaced. One thing to know is that the amount you'll receive in damages comes down to your property's current market value. So if your home or shop is destroyed, you won't be paid the original price of the property, but rather its actual cash value, aka what it's worth today.
What if I don't own a house but rent?
In that case, if you have renter's insurance, your policy likely covers damages and losses caused by vandalism and looting. You should speak with your landlord to find out when and how those repairs will be completed. And if you're a landlord yourself, your coverage usually pays to repair damage to shared areas and structures.
If my property is damaged or stolen, how can I file an insurance claim?
Most insurance companies allow you to file a claim online, through an app, or over the phone, but the steps are basically the same. The first step is to detail the damage done to your property and back it up with photos if you have them. Your insurer will then send an adjuster to assess the damage and offer an estimate for repairs. Once your claim is approved, your insurer will send a check or deposit the funds into your bank account. Just keep in mind that they'll subtract your deductible from the overall payout. You can then hire a contractor to fix any damage. Most insurers have a list of preferred contractors they like to work with, but you're free to find one on your own. You can also use the funds to replace anything that was stolen. We have a guide on the site that details how to file an insurance claim for anyone watching this, including the types of claims you can make and information that's handy to have.
Super informative, Katia. Thanks for joining us on Finder Facts today. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click in the link here to learn more about what your insurance will cover after looting or vandalism. Or if you're already on our page, scroll down and read our guide. Thanks for watching and be safe.